Hello friends! Today we are going to learn numbers and colors. Wow! Let's start with the colors. Color red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, brown, white and black. Now let's start with the numbers. Number 1. Color red. Number 1. Number 1. 1. Number 2. Color orange. Orange. Number 2. Number 2. 2. Color yellow. Yellow. Number 3. Number 3. Color yellow. 3. 3. Color green. Number 4. Number 4. Color green. Number 4. 4. Color blue. Blue. Number 5. Number 5. Color blue. Number 5. Color purple. Purple. Number 6. Number 6. Color purple. 6. Color pink. Pink. Number 7. Number 7. Color pink. 7. Color brown. Brown. Number 8. Number 8. Color brown. 8. White. White. Number 9. Number 9. 9. Black. Black. We are going to make number 10 from 1 and 0. First is number 1 and then is number 0. We have the two numbers 1 and 0. And we have number 10. Number 10. 10. Now let's see the numbers again. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wow! Now thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching. See you next time.